It's time for all the talking to stop, and there has been plenty of that. Time for the action now. Schwab. Here's a chance. Pressure was building there, but they somehow managed to clear the lines. Comes off the defender. Cut that out well. Good pass. Good anticipation by the defender. Schwab. Looking to get forward here. Oh dear, they've lost the ball. They need to guard against the counter.
In a good position, but now they need to defend.
Keasley. Real chance. Back in safekeeping. He's got men with him. Lead on. Schwab. Got to say that's just a good interception. That's well played. Always looking to get forward with the ball. Big chance. That's a swing. Off target.
Well, no complaints for me for having to go from there, Clive, because that's what it's all about.
Now, do they have a long throw specialist? And that's given away. Rolfers. He's got through. Hits it. Not the best effort.
Come on, you've got to hit the target. You know, if you're going to shoot from there, you've got to make the goalkeeper work.
Schwab. Sven Bender looking to get at the defence here. Needs to cross. Someone's a mark. Chance maybe. Firmly met. Good save. Oh, the keeper came to the rescue there. It was a rush clearance in the end. Good closing down. Schwab. Got players outside him to his left. He's got a chance. Rather anxious clearance. Schwab. Really good interception there. Cut out. Nothing wrong with that pass. They're on the attack here. Couldn't quite get... Goes for goal. Unable to hold it. Simon Rolfs. Chance here. That was a bit aimless, lost possession there. Goalkeeper clears. It's well worked. Looks a good one. No problem for the defender. Having a crack. He just couldn't keep the ball down there.
Well, he's missed the target.
They knew what was coming. Who was that meant to be to? Very wayward pass, just giving the ball away. And he's given it away, not a good throw. Pushing forward here. Attack peters out. They need to get back in numbers now.
Broken down again, Clive, in that last third. It's just breaking down there too often.
Scrambled away to safety.
That's the right ball to play too.
It's a chance. Instant hit. Oh, yes! Just picked his spot. Bottom corner. There can be few more satisfying feelings for a footballer than a sweetly struck volley like that. Off his boot, perfectly timed.
Clive, when you catch a volley right, they stay hit. That's some finish.
He's kept his head over that very well, Clive. He's watched it all the way, and he has belted that into the back of the net.
They've got men forward here.
An attack that just came to nothing.
Now, can he find the men in the middle? Schwab. Can pick a pass. Looking to carry the attack to them here. Schwab. Deep touch. Cadlets. Marvelous pass. Cadlets. They can let it go for a goal kick. Not short of options here. Spoke too soon. Attack's broken down. They've got some defending to do now.
Getting excited for a split second there, but it's all come to nothing.
Cadlets. Simon Ross. And he's a real up-and-downer, isn't he? So much energy.
Every team needs a player like this.
It's a nice pass. Sven Bender. Seized on the ball in a flash. I don't know what that was supposed to be. I think he was daydreaming there. Trying to build some pressure here. Bender. Schwab. Keasley. Cadlets. Sven Bender. Rolfers. Possession changes hands. Always danger when this man's on the ball. Attack comes to nothing. They've got to be careful not to get caught on the break here.
Oh, that is frustrating. I thought there was something in that, but now they have to get back and get their shape.
Cadlets. Read that well, great positional play. Catlets. Ross. Schwab. Catlets. Helped on. Sven Bender. Cut it out before anything can develop. Good idea. What a chance! It's a real chance! Oh, and will they get a better chance to equalise? I wonder.
The look on their faces says it all, Clive. They know they just cannot afford to keep missing good opportunities like that one.
Bender. Looking to get forward here. Good use of the ball. Can he get to it? The defenders gets his head to it. Clearing header. No one was getting to that before him. Well, that's a good pass. Not short of men to his left. Big chance. He's tried his luck. It's a goal! Enjoying this, good match. It's 2-0. Picked the pass nicely. Oh, decided to have a go. Oh, how good a save is that? Sven Bender. Schwab. This has got promise. Who can he find? Good positioning by the defender. Doesn't waste many passes. Either side here, has a header, goal! As soon as the ball was in the air, you had an idea he was going to get to it first.
You put it on his head and he'll finish it.
Here by Marco
offers. Ender. Schwab. There's only one ball out there, and only one team can get it at the moment. This is exhibition passing. Schwab. Chance to pick someone. Cadlets. Keasley. Rolling it around nicely. Not short of support. Oh, look at this! Had a blast! Stopped by the keeper, great save! He's given it, it's a penalty, didn't think twice about it. Expertly done. No such thing as a lost cause to this team. This game's going to take some winning, isn't it? There's so little to choose between these two sides. It's making for a wonderful match. Schwab. Keasley. Cadlets. Ross. He's running the show. The attack here, letting the ball do the work. Sven Bender. Possibilities here if he looks down the middle, going for goal!
Over the crossbar, he's just rushed that, he's just grabbed at that a little bit, Clive, and that's the reason why he's missed a great opportunity.
He's already got 2 goals, they just can't contain him. Such a close match, scores 3-2. Schwab. Pushing forward here. Will he cross? There's a man free. Got his head on the ball, the equaliser. And he just bulleted the ball into the back of the net.
Clive, this team have got...
Ball when you've got it. Look at this for a run. Couldn't get past him. Schwab. Trying their luck down the flank here. Someone's unmarked. The cover was really stretched there, but they managed to get the ball away. Not sure how. Simon Ross. Looking to get at the defence here. Got a bit sloppy there, didn't concentrate, and they're on the back foot now.
That's frustrating. Just as they get higher up the pitch, they give the ball away.
Danger still, it's a corner. Possession stats here for you, shows what share of the game they've had.
Always concerned with the stats.
He's trying his luck. Good keeping, can they get to it though? Didn't take enough care with the pass, straight out. Lead on. They've got men forward here. Not a problem for the goalkeeper, as always is. Looking to carry the attack to them here. Root, clear chance. Oh, and he's hit the post. So close.
It's important that you stay focused and just keep your composure in a situation like that. That's a good opportunity missed.
Schwab. He'll try his luck. No way past him there. Relieve the pressure. Got a chance. Genuine chance. Hits the defender. He knew what was coming. Always prompting and probing. It's well cut out. There's a good ball in there too. Always looking to get big chance. Confident goalkeeping. Didn't just stop it, held it. Simon. There's the referee's whistle. Half-time then, so it's 3-3.
Well, if you like your goals, you've come to the right place for it. Plenty of end-to-end stuff, lots of goal-mouth action. Well, it's been good to watch.
Here we go again. We'd settle for more of the same, wouldn't we? This has been a very good game. Some good defending out there. Chance. Well hit. He's failed to hit the target.
I'm surprised he's missed that one, Clive, because he's already found the net. He knows where the goals are.
Rolfers. Cadlets. Always danger when this man's on the ball. Can he get to it? Defenders will be glad of the respite. It really looks as if they might concede there, but they somehow survived. Sven Bender. intercepted, it was under him. Cadlet. Looking to get forward here. Chance maybe. Not sure how they managed to clear their lines there, but they did. It was touch and go, narrow escape. Cadlet. Ross. Simon Ross. Rolfers. Simon Ross. It's a chance. Got his head to it. Oh, disappointing attempt. Any goalkeeper worth his thought will do with those. Trying to build some pressure here. Chance to shoot. Managed to stop it. Good keeping. Important he held it. Cadlet. On the attack here. Pick the pass nicely. On the ball. Simon Ross. That's a cutting pass. What a chance! Decided to have a go. It's a goal! It's him again, in the right place at the right time. 2 to his name already, and he'll be looking for more yet. Could go either way. Scoreline's 4-3. Pushing forward here. Intercepted. Keasley. Well worked. Wouldn't let him pass. Ross. Just cut the ball out there. His teammates need support. It's a chance. It'll take more than that to beat him. Keasley. Using the ball well. He's got a chance. Scrambled away to safety. Simon Ross.
That's going to be a throw-in. Like he lost his bearings. Careless play.
Looking to get at the defence here. Rolfers. Cadlet. There's a man free. They just pass for now, but the they can build some concerted pressure. It's bound to tell in the end. The trouble cleared. Good touch. Can't find a way through. Smith bend up. He can carry the attack to them here. Now he's escaped his marker here. Gone for goal. They've done it! He's a match winner. Simple as that. The star of the team.
You know, coming here today, I wonder